Grilled chuck roast. Ingredients: 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 medium shallot, minced, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 2 tablespoons minced parsley, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, ½ teaspoon meat tenderizer, 2 to 3 pounds chuck roast. Chimichurri sauce, for serving. Directions: whisk the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, shallot, garlic, parsley, Dijon, sugar, beef bouillon, salt, pepper, and meat tenderizer in a bowl. Add in about a ½ cup of water and stir again. Score the chuck roast with a sharp knife, making 6 or 7 large cuts all over one side of the meat. Add the marinade to a plastic bag and then add the steak. Seal the bag and massage the steak inside the marinade. Place it on a plate to catch any drips or leaks and refrigerate for at least 6 hours, ideally overnight. You can even marinate for up to 24 hours. Since the meat is so thick it will not break down easily. Prepare the grill. Charcoal works best for flavor and low and slow cooking, but you can use a gas grill as well. Heat your bricks and then lay them on each side of the grill. Place a disposable pan in the center where there aren't hot bricks to catch the drippings. Sear one side of the meat over the coals and then place it on the center of the grill, over the grill pan. If you're using a gas grill, place it under a burner that is not on, with the other burners around it turned on to medium-high heat. You can also throw in a few wood smoke chips on top of the charcoal for a nice smoky flavor. Close the cover to the grill and cook for about 5 minutes on the first side. Flip and cook for an additional 20 minutes or until the internal temperature has reached 145 F, which is the right temperature for medium, the best temperature for serving this cut of meat. Remove the roast from the grill and allow to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Slice against the grain, do the best you can. The grains can change across the meat due to the configuration of the muscle. Serve with your favorite sauce like chimichurri.